Shepherd of my soul, come dwell within me. Take all I am and mold your likeness in me. Before the cross of Christ, this is my sacrifice, a life laid down and ready to follow. Find your peace in true surrender. The prisoners there release from chains of anger. In springs of living grace, I find a resting place, to rise refreshed and ready to follow. This narrow road with Christ before me, where thorns and thistles grow and cords ensnare me. Though doubted and denied, He never leaves my side, but lifts my head and calls me to follow. Days are gone, my strength is failing. He'll carry me along through death's unveiling. A struggle's overcome, heaven's journey just begun, to search Christ's depths and never to follow. Christ's steps and ever to follow.